Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the ultra-wide macro camera for close-up shots on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. So, what you guys want to do first is open up the camera. Now here, we want to go to Photo and click on 0.5. So this is our ultra-wide. Now, to do the macro shot, so the close-up shot with the macro, basically just put your phone close to an object and it will automatically switch its entire focus. So of course it'll be the background will be a little bit blurry, and now we got our shot right here, and as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. So it worked perfectly fine. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.